Welcome to Tax Central. In this video we will learn how to match GSTR1 and GSTR3B with our books of account. Let's start. First, we will understand some basics. GSTR1 is the form where we furnish our tax invoices. This form can be filed monthly or quarterly for those whose turnover is up to 5 crore. GSTR3B is the form where we declare total values of our outward supplies. This form also can be filed monthly or quarterly for turnover up to 5 crore. There can be discrepancies in sales details between GSTR3B and GSTR1, or differences in sales details between the books of accounts and GSTR1. Let's see how can we see if GSTR1 is matching with GSTR3B or there are any discrepancies. On GST portal click on Services, then on Return section click on Tax Liabilities and ITC Comparison. Then select Financial Year and then click on Tax Liability other than Export. Here you can see month-wise comparison data of filed GSTR1 and GSTR3B. You can see the difference between and cumulative shortfall and excess in bottom. You can see total difference is 0. That means we have filed our return accurately. If there is difference, it could be due to wrong GSTR1 filing or wrong GSTR3B filing. If you have entered wrong invoice or wrong value of an invoice, you can fix it by filing your next GSTR1 return through amendment. For example, say you have sale invoice, but while filing GSTR1 you have entered wrong invoice value. To correct this while filing your next return, go to 9A column of B2B amendment and enter financial year and invoice number of the sale invoices. Then enter the correct amount of that invoice. Then click on Save and file your return. Say you have entered less or more value in Form 3B. Then you can rectify it in next 3B return by adding difference amount if value declared less in that 3B return, and vice versa. For example, as per GSTR1 our IGST liability was 5,500, but in GSTR3B we have declared 5,000. So in this case, while filing our next GSTR3B return we add extra 500 in our 3B, which we have declared less in previous return. Now to match GSTR1 data with books of account, you can refer your GSTR1 data whichever software you use. In case of Tally, from Gateway of Tally go to Display, then Statutory Report, then GST, and then GSTR1. Here you can see monthly data by pressing F2. And compare and match with portal GSTR1 month by month. If you find any mismatch, you can amend the invoice like we have shown you before. Thanks for watching. Like if you found our video useful and subscribe for more video like this.